Adivina, adivinanza. Tu ga vengo no mon yo man. Tu ga sia fo afo ya ngele ka bo dan. Ambo te chachu ho. Chachu ho.
Hi my queens, hello, Royal Beauty, hello my queens, hello my divas, hello, Shakara baby is here in the game, okay. Today I bring you, as you can see by the title, this bomb wig, okay. Oh my god, you see that part? Did you see that part? Okay, I'm going to show you how I create this part, but let me tell you that this wig is from WIGSBUY. I have the box here. Let me get the box. It's from WIGSBUY.com. okay. You're going to leave the link directly of the here down below. Let me tell you something, okay. Shading is first of all, it's synthetic wig, and it's curly wig, and it's very full, very full. The part I don't plug the part come like this only. I remove this because it comes with that bulkiness, and I remove it. That is why I'm going to show you how I remove that. I remove it and say hello, and yeah, it's very long. It's like, do you see? It's like 26 inches, but it's like it's curly. You can see it only if you draw it like this. Yes, like 26 inches or 24 inches, and it's very full. See, just by yourself, okay. It's very full. Yeah, that is the only thing I have to tell you. Go and order this wig. It's very full. It's long. And it's curly. The only thing is that button I removed, but Jenny is here. DivaNyhair, your Shakara baby is here to show you how to remove that. Okay, so you're going to order this wig, and you're going to look bomb.com as okay. The perfect wig for spring is here, for summer is here, okay, even for winter too. The cold is too much in this country. Hey, okay, this wig is from WIGSBUY. I'm going to leave the link down below, so go and order it. I can see, like I told you before, it's very full, it's long, and it's very soft. Shading, let me find the shading like this. Don't have too much, only this, like shading. It's normal, it's synthetic wig. You're going to shade, but not that too much, okay. And it's very affordable. I'm going to leave the link down below and the price too, okay. So yeah, let's go to this tutorial. I'll see you in my next video. First of all, this bracelet is from sldesign.com. I'm going to leave the link down below, and you have a discount code. Did you see them? They're super cute. You have a discount code, Ambassador DivaNyhair, for you to have 10% off or some cash off. Link below, down below. Lashes from ColorCL.com. You have my discount code JK10 for you to have 10% off, so you can have it for $1 or $2. Excuse me. So yeah, that is all. So don't forget to subscribe, give me a video, thumbs up, comment, and share, okay.